This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're still at the expo. I'm just going to show you guys Zeekr 009. We have 001 and X in Norway, finally, but 009, it's a big, I don't know, minivan, yeah? So, we'll see if I can get access to it. It's kind of busy now. It's public day, not press day, so just have to try to squeeze myself in here. Okay, yeah, we have this bridge design, as you guys know in most cars. Cup holder there, wireless charging there. Center console, small. USB-C there, okay. And then 12-volt outlet there. We have this screen here. Zeekr, right? Yeah, they also exist in Thailand. All right, let me try to get in there. I'll try to get in the front. I mean the passenger, driver. Interesting. It doesn't seem to be like 001. You know, I have a big screen here. I like it, yeah. But at least seems to have similar interface. Yeah, okay, it's in Thai right now. Big instrument cluster there, sending data to China. Well, the head-up display is located there. Wow, but it has head-up display. And then what about here? Do we have double glazed window? Yeah, okay, at least there. Massive door. Gear selector here. What? Similar like other Geely cars. Yeah, I can feel the massage going on right now. Let me see, if I lower the seat all the way down, we should have plenty of headroom, but just to show you how much, I'm 173 centimeters, I have 2 fists of headroom here. And it actually has a little frunk. Huh? You can put your cables here, maybe a small bag, and then washer fluid there. But yeah, at least it has a frunk. They actually thought about that. Wait, now it's only a latch on one side. There, I think it's latched now. And in the back, oh, it has that Zeekr rear. Ah, okay, that signature look in the back. Okay, so it's a 6-seater. Wow, the seat seems to be nice. Okay, we have 12-volt outlet here. At least you have some trunk space, even when all seats are occupied. But you see now that when these guys are sitting in the front, there is literally no leg room here. And then here we have, what is this? A cup holder and something. Not sure what this is all about. Let me try the second row. I don't know what the heck I pressed, but I can close the door. Yeah, so it has the minivan door. Wow, look at that. What is this? It's like a, it has a little clock there. What the heck, man? Hey, wait, can you, what are these buttons for? It might be locked, but can you actually open the window here? Yeah, I think you can. This is weird because most vans you cannot open the window here. But you see we have lots of controls here. Ventilation, heat, you can have heat and ventilation on simultaneously. There are lots of adjustments here for the seat. So you have these kind of queen seats, whatever, lounge seats. You have plenty of options there. Also to go laid back. Let's see, can you open this? I will do it like this. Wait, okay, this, open here. And you pull out the table. Of course, you have a table here. You can have your lunch. And then we have USB there in the front, plenty of leg room. And then I haven't even tried all this, but if you go this, there's a preset maybe. Wow, in the most laid back position, you have really nice comfort here. Zeekr 009, why don't we get it in Europe? I mean, not everyone wants a small sedan, right? Look here. You want to watch a movie? You can see there, it seems to be a 16-inch screen here. Sending data to China. Huh? This is crazy, man. Can you... Oh, okay. What the heck? There's a panorama roof here. I think you can even open. There you guys have it. Zeekr 009. Unfortunately, I don't think it will ever come to Europe because it seems like the demand for big SUVs or minivans are not that great in Europe. But at least you guys see what is available in Zeekr. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.